Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will guide you through the process of replacing the motor in your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. This repair can seem daunting, but with the right tools and instructions, it can be accomplished with ease. Let's begin with the necessary tools. You will need a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, make sure your vacuum is unplugged. Safety is paramount. Now, let's remove the dust canister. Simply press the release button and pull it off. Next, using the T15 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws to take out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the body of the vacuum away from the base. You may need to wiggle it a bit to free it. Now, we can access the motor compartment. Here, you will see the motor unit secured with additional screws. Carefully remove these screws using the T15 Torx screwdriver. After removing the screws, disconnect the motor's electrical connector. This step requires a gentle touch, avoid pulling too hard. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you assess the situation. Now, let's clean the internal area around the motor. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This ensures that the new motor will fit well and function optimally. If you're not comfortable with the cleaning process, consider our pickup and delivery at your home, which makes it easier for you without the hassle of transport. Next, take your new motor and connect it to the electrical connector. Ensure it is securely attached. Then, place the motor into the compartment and align it with the screw holes. Now, replace the screws to secure the motor in place. Make sure they are tight, but be cautious not to over-tighten them. After the motor is secured, reattach the body of the vacuum by aligning it with the base. Replace the 4 screws you previously removed at the base. This will help keep everything intact. If you find yourself needing assistance at any point, our services include quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Finally, reattach the dust canister by pushing it back until you hear a click. Plug in your vacuum and test it to ensure everything is functioning properly. If it's not working as expected, don't hesitate to reach out to us. No calls, no travel is our motto to make your experience as convenient as possible. You can now enjoy using your Dyson SV12 with a new motor that works like new. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.